we're going to talk about code in a very agnostic way. The code that we're referring to could be an algorithm. It could be just some math formula. It could be written by monkeys. It literally doesn't matter. It literally doesn't matter. Neyman says monkeys. Neyman, I use the monkey analogy quite a bit. And I use that a lot because, as I've told you guys before, if you guys watch my content, data science is very near and dear to our hearts. I know that all of us are data science enthusiasts, right? But what you're going to find in the business world is that nobody cares. Nobody cares. They want to know the results of the algorithm. What does it mean to them from a business perspective? But when you try to get into the how of the answer, the how of the algorithm, they don't care. They stop listening. You could tell them that it's some fancy big neural network that took you 10 hours to write. Or you could tell them you got the answer from a room full of monkeys that you trained how to use an iPad. They don't care. So we're gonna end up being very agnostic in some of those ways for us now, because it really doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. It matters to you as an individual, right? Because you can take pride in your work, and that's cool. But trust me, I've been in those big boardrooms. I've given plenty of big presentations to very high-level executives. They don't care. They don't care. If I were to tell them, yeah, I got a room full of monkeys in the back that came up with these answers, they'd be like, yeah, okay, cool. Just don't let the monkeys die. And they're not saying that because they're caring people that care about the monkeys. They just, it's an insurance issue if a monkey dies on your premises, right? Right? So it's it really doesn't matter, and that's why I use that monkey analogy quite a bit.